morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're so well. Today I'm doing a little what I eat in a day video. We're going to keep it very chilled today. It's going to be a vlog style what I eat in a day. I have mentioned recently that I have been seeing a coach for my nutrition as well as my training because I'm embarking on a bit of a mini bulk at the moment. So I thought I would share with you what a typical day of eating looks like for me at the moment. I'm really enjoying it and I'm eating loads of carbs and it's great. I have so much energy and my training is going super well as well because I have so much energy, which is amazing. So this morning I went to the gym. So I thought while I'm in the gym I would update you guys on how my training is going. So at the moment I'm doing 2 upper body days and 2 lower body days. I'm basically working until failure for every set, which has been different to what I would usually do. So I'm working at the heaviest weights I could possibly do every single exercise, every single set, which is slightly different to what I'm used to, but it has been absolutely destroying me. And please just watch me slowly die doing this leg extension drop set. You start at 9 reps, then straight to 12, then straight to 15, lowering the weight each time. And honestly, this is the most painful part of the entire week.
Got no change. You still sticking here with me. Yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just want to...
This is the other killer. Goblet squats into pulsing goblet squats. So I start with a slightly heavier weight and I do 12 reps of goblet squats and then I lower the weight, not by much, and then I do pulsing squats until failure. And failure is not massive. It does not take me long to fail at these. They absolutely kill me. Let me know if you like these little snippets of my workouts and I'll do more of them and I'll keep you guys posted on how my training is going throughout the upcoming months. I did my quads session and when I tell you my quads, did you see my face in the leg extensions? Oh my god, my stomach's rumbling. Honestly horrific. So this morning I started my day with a black coffee before the gym, which I always do. And now I've just got home and I'm having a protein shake. This is the My Vitamins, My Protein cinnamon Danish flavour and it is so nice. I need to order some more. So I just have 25 grams of this with some water. I'm going to down this and then I'm going to make my breakfast, which I'm not going to lie is the same as always. I'm eating a lot of very similar things at the moment because I'm tracking my macros at the minute and it's so much easier when you've just got meal prepped meals in the fridge, which I do. I'm going to drink this and then I'll show you my breakfast. So breakfast at the moment is a really just stripped back version of what I usually have. Because of Vlogmas, I've been quite busy every day, so I haven't been taking as much time as usual to make my food. Obviously I still take a little bit of time because I love it. Not like excessively long. I've been meal prepping rather than cooking everything from scratch. This is the scale that Tim got me for my birthday. It's so much better. Obviously oats are a vital ingredient. Oh yeah. And I'm having nearly double the amount of oats as before, which is amazing. And then I'm using the same cinnamon protein powder that I love. And I'm using a little bit less than a whole scoop. That's it, it's run out. I need to order more. I'm currently doing a combination of mixing my stewed apples with my porridge as well as on top of. There are so many videos on my channel of me making my stewed apples. Extremely simple. Definitely go and check those out if you want to know how to make them. And then all I do is mix some water in. Mix the apple in with the porridge and it makes it really like just delicious because the apple is cooked with ginger and allspice and cinnamon and nutmeg and lemon juice and everything. Like it's got such a nice flavour that it adds all of that flavour to your oats as well as also adding a different texture and thickening it up. And it honestly is like a dessert. And then you microwave it. Okay, so once we are looking stodgy, just how I like my oats, I like them thick with 2 C's. I cover it in yogurt, in Greek yogurt, so much. And then I put the other half of the stewed apples on top. And then finally, this was the My Vitamins, My Protein protein granola. It's chocolate flavoured. This comes in a massive tub, and this is all that's left. We love this stuff. And I know I like to make my own granola, and I do, but when I don't have a lot of time, it's nice to have a granola on hand. And then a little bit of the Protein Works maple syrup. It's just a much more stripped down version of what I always have. Like, it doesn't have all the nectarines and the kiwi, which is lovely, and I wish I had time for that every single morning, but right now I don't. So this is what we've been going for, just a nice hearty, wholesome, filling, autumnal, cinnamony, delicious breakfast. And I look forward to this every single night when I go to bed. I'm like, I can't wait for my oats in the morning. It's just never not good. It's always delicious. Hello, it's now, what's the time? 20 to 1, and it is time for my first tea of the day, which Tim has kindly brought me. It's actually today going to be the only tea of the day because we don't have any milk left, and we know I'm not going to go get it. So I'm going to savour this tea because it's all I'm getting today. Usually I'd say 3 or 4 teas a day. Maybe I will have to go get some milk. I don't know if I can last that long. Hello, we interrupt today's vlog with today's video sponsor. So today's vlog is really kindly sponsored by Betterly, which is a really cool idea. If you watched my recent healthy habits video, you will have seen that one of them was to step away from technology, take an hour out of your day to do something that doesn't involve screens. So that could be reading, it could be painting, it could be scrapbooking, but doing something that is mindful and away from technology. And Betterly is a really great way to do that with a fun activity. So when the UK lockdown first happened, the words new hobbies was searched 110% more. People are looking for things to do and trying to find new hobbies to pass the time. And Betterly is a subscription, so they send you boxes with the tools that you need to learn a new hobby or learn a new skill. And this is suitable for like adults, children, because there are loads of different themes that you could possibly buy. The box that they have sent me I think might really interest some of you if you're anything like me, and it is their crystal box. There is no better way to step away from social media and take some time offline than to reconnect with yourself, reground yourself. And if crystals are something that you are interested in, or if you know someone who is interested in crystals, this could be an amazing Christmas present. If you feel that kind of energy from crystals, then this is a really fun and user-friendly way of kind of stepping into the realm of crystals. So this is one of the boxes, and this is the Energy of Crystals collection, which has 40 natural stones which are sent out across 12 boxes. So they talk to you about how physical contact with different crystals can change your energy, how you're feeling, and kind of restore balance in your life, which I think is something that a lot of us need right now. You can kind of see each box as like a guided tour, like down your exploration of the crystal world. Ow. And it can help you focus your intentions. Having a physical crystal with you for certain scenarios that you think will help ground you. And it's also got some techniques that you can try out with your crystals to kind of put them to use and just explore and play and see whether it is something for you. So each box comes with a polished stone, which kind of helps you choose your direction for this box. You get a booklet to help guide you with what to do with your crystal. So here I've got a little card of what's come in this box. So this is the box of recognition. So this comes with 4 clear quartz. The polished stone that comes in this box is citrine, which is a beautiful stone, stunning. A scented candle, this is scented with thyme. This also comes with your first box. This is a Metatron's cube, and you basically have different placements for your crystals which helps to activate them. So if I was to read you what this says, recognition. In this box dedicated to recognition, you'll learn all about the uses of 2 types of quartz crystals. When clear quartz is put on the Metatron's cube, its vital energy unites with the principles of sacred geometry, channeling positive energy and dispelling negative energy. Citrine will help you increase your inner awareness and promote positivity. And each crystal comes with a little cotton bag to protect it. So yeah, each box adds to your collection and helps you build an understanding of crystals and helps you figure out whether it's something that's for you. So yeah, like I said, if this is something that interests you, I thought it was really cool and I wanted to share it. This is the one that I think spoke most to me, but they have loads of other boxes as well, if that's something that you're interested in. If you guys would like to try this for yourself, click the link in the description box and use my code Emma20 and you can get 20% off of your first box to start your journey today. Thank you, Betterly, for working with me on this little clip. Little snackette. What are they? These crisps. The McCoy's Muchos.
Oh, the McCoy's.
Yeah, they're so nice. Oh, that looks nice. That's not what I'm having. Time for my lunch, which has already been meal prepped. So it's lunchtime, and like I said, meal prep has been our best friend at the moment.
Blanket's inconveniently big. It's a cake. Where's this Christmas tree come from?
What?
Yeah, no. Where's it here?
Yeah, I think you probably just knocked it off.
Whoops.
Yeah, meal prep has been our best friend recently, and Tim made this the other day, so I'm gonna have it for my lunch. It is pasta with onions, red pepper, pepperoni, and spicy pesto. So good. I'm gonna have it with a little bit of cheese on top while I edit. So that is my lunch, and then I'm gonna have another snack in a bit, and I'm having panettone today. So excited. Does anyone else just love panettone? I absolutely love it. I bought myself a mini one from TK Maxx ages ago and I found it in the cupboard and I was like, you are getting eaten today. Ta-da! And on top, because you gotta put cheese on top, I'm using the Eat Lean protein cheese, which I've been eating for years. It's so good. Years, like 2 years. Oh yeah, like 2 years now. I really like it. It's not proper cheese, but the macros are brilliant on it. Yum, yum. Very realistic, everyone. Oh yeah, cuisine.
This is that beautiful, deep red colour.
After me saying all of that about having the pre-made granola, I just put in a batch of my homemade granola because I felt like I should have it in the cupboard. I'm just waiting for Vlogmas to export, so I'm gonna have a snack because I have wanted a snack for ages, but I've been working away and couldn't be bothered to get up. So I'm gonna have a packet of popcorners, pop protein crisps in sweet barbecue. You guys know that I absolutely love these. I eat like a pack a day. They're so good. Oh, and I made my granola, but I made it, I don't know if it's gonna be very nice. It's very peanut buttery. Tim will probably like it, but it tastes too much like peanut butter for me. On with snack number 1. Don't lie to me or yourself. We both know this is the best I've ever looked. Fashion, honey. It's dinner time and I'm having my favourite thing that I make, my chickpea sweet potato curry. I made it yesterday, so I'm going to insert the clips of me making it right here. I'm going to make my chickpea curry that I love so much. I basically just make it up every time. I make it different every time. I've made it on my channel before. I feel like I haven't properly cooked in like a while, so I'm gonna do it, baby. I have a whole sweet potato cut up. I'm gonna cut up a red onion, some garlic. I've got coconut cream because I ran out of coconut milk, so coconut cream will do. Tomatoes, 1, maybe 2 tins of chickpeas, and then just like curry powder and spices. Some spinach if you got it lying around. Bung it all in, let it simmer for ages, and then serve it with rice or naan or whatever you feel like. It's so easy and it makes loads. It's like a really good meal prep thing to make, which is exactly why I'm doing it. I'm doing a bit of meal prep. I just felt like I didn't have time to make my lunch, which is ridiculous because there's always time to eat. You just got to prioritize it and prepare for it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm doing me tomorrow a favor. Let's get chopping.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore invitation. Sing.
And now it's all meal prepped for the week. Even the rice is done, so all I gotta do is heat it up, and I am so excited. I absolutely love it. Like, it never gets boring for me. I love it so much. It's so filling. Here it is in all its glory, prepped and ready to be heated up. And there we go, heated up. Is it aesthetically pleasing? No, but it's got two lovely big slices of bread. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this. The time has come. Panettone is such a classic at this time of year. Tim doesn't like panettone. Who doesn't like panettone? So weird.
By guessing his password.
What is it?
MAGA23.
You're joking.
No.
Oh my god, that can't be true.
No, it's not easy.
Yum. It smells like Christmas. I was gonna have jelly and custard as my second dessert, but I'm actually really full. I'm not gonna have it, which means I'm gonna end this what I eat in a day here. It was a very, very relaxed what I eat in a day. Like, it was a vlogmas style what I eat in a day, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If Betterly is something that interests you as well, that is linked down below if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, and if you haven't entered my giveaway yet, that went live on Wednesday, so go check out Wednesday's video to enter, because it ends on Sunday, so you've got a couple days left to enter. Also head over to my Instagram and subscribe. Head over to my Instagram and follow, and enter over there as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.